Ready to unlock the power of real-time automation for your business communications. Today, we're diving into Wati Webhooks, your key to seamless data exchange and custom integrations. Let's get started. First, log into your Wati account. Navigate to the Settings menu on your Wati dashboard. This is where the magic begins. Within the Settings menu, find and click on the Webhooks option. This will take you to the Webhook management page. Now, click the Add Webhook button. This will open a form where you'll configure your new webhook. In the URL field, enter the endpoint where you want Wati to send data. This is the URL of the application that will receive and process the webhook data. Next, select the events you want to trigger the webhook. Choose the specific events that should trigger the webhook to fire, such as new messages, message status updates, or contact updates. Select as many as you need. Once you've entered the URL and selected the events, click the Save button to activate your webhook. Congratulations! Your Wati webhook is now set up. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that the webhook has been successfully created. Now, whenever the selected events occur in Wati, data will be automatically sent to your specified URL. This enables you to automate workflows, integrate with other applications, and unlock a whole new level of functionality. Explore the possibilities and happy automating.